Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to tell you something that might completely change the way you look at your smartphone. So go ahead, take one good, long look at your beloved phone right now, because after today's video, that same device is going to feel like an ancient calculator from the 90s. We're talking about a device that doesn't even exist yet, but its whispers have already left some of the biggest CEOs in the tech industry tossing and turning at night. That's right. Today's story is all about the Sony Xperia Pro 2. This isn't just another phone, folks, this is straight up a technological marvel that time traveled from the future right into our 2026. So if you're one of those curious minds who wants to see tomorrow's tech today, buckle up, pay full attention, because the biggest revolution in technology is waiting for you. Without any further delay, let's dive into this incredible journey. Design. The first time you lay eyes on this phone, you'll swear an alien spaceship just landed on your desk. From the front, absolute madness. A pure, uninterrupted screen, bezels. Never heard of her. The glass and metal blend together so perfectly it looks like the interior of a luxury sports car. The display is so immersive that when you're watching a movie, the edges literally vanish, and you'll find yourself completely lost in that world. But hold on, folks, the real magic is on the back. Get ready, because Sony has done something back there that will make you think someone arranged a wedding between a smartphone and a professional camera, and yes, they went on a honeymoon too. One side has that sleek, glossy glass back, and on the other, boom, a massive 1-inch, 500-megapixel single camera sensor that protrudes out like a professional DSLR lens. And yes, you can actually twist that lens with your fingers, just like you to just focus on a real camera. This, my friends, is what true innovation looks like. Just imagine, you're at a wedding, and the guy next to you is showing off his brand new, super expensive iPhone that he's been paying off in installments for months. Then you casually pull out this Xperia Pro 2 from your pocket. The look on his face, priceless. He'll be thinking, dude, is that a camera or a phone? Where's the phone? And you'll just smile and say, my man, it's both, and it's a camera from the future. Yeah, it's gonna be a little heavy, but that weight comes from the magic of magnesium alloy. The same metal used in high-end DSLRs, lightweight yet incredibly tough. Drop it, and the phone won't even flinch, but the floor might get a dent. DSLR killer camera. Alright, now let's talk about the heart and soul of this beast. Just one camera, but what a camera. A 500-megapixel, 1-inch sensor. Now, I know what you're thinking, we've seen 200-megapixel phones before. But here's the difference, folks, those 200-megapixel phones have tiny little sensors, like a small teacup. But this Xperia Pro 2 sensor, it's the size of a full dinner plate. We're talking about a sensor that's 10 times bigger than your average flagship phone. At night, in pitch black darkness with zero light sources, this thing will still capture photos as if they were shot in broad daylight. No noise, no graininess, just pure, clean, professional-grade quality. Now think about this, why would you need 3 or 4 cameras when this one single sensor can do everything? Wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, macro, all of it, in one. Yes, this is a single camera setup, but its AI-powered sensor flawlessly simulates different focal lengths. This one camera handles it all, without sacrificing an ounce of quality. Because with 500 megapixels, there's so much data packed in that you can crop as much as you want, and it'll still stay razor sharp. Zoom. 100x zoom is old news. This phone packs a mind-blowing 150x hybrid zoom, an explosive mix of optical and digital. Imagine this. You're standing on a mountain, and there's a tiny bird sitting on a distant peak. Zoom in, and you'll be able to see the pupil of its eye. For the videography fanatics out there, 8K video is practically ancient history now. This phone records in 12K. Yes, 12K. The quality is so insane that you can pause the video and pull out a 25-megapixel still photo from it. And about that creamy, dreamy bokeh effect, this single camera delivers it naturally, just like a DSLR. Why? Because the massive 1-inch sensor creates beautiful depth of field organically, no AI trickery, no software gimmicks. Pure, authentic optical blur. Display. You capture stunning photos, so the screen better do them justice, right? The Sony Xperia Pro 2 features a massive 6.92-inch 4K HDR OLED display with 1 billion colors. And with 12-bit color depth, we're talking over 68 billion colors, more shades than even a rainbow could dream of. 144 Hz refresh rate, glide your finger across the screen, and it moves like a figure skater on fresh ice. Gaming, scrolling, everything feels like butter-smooth perfection. 4500 nits peak brightness, say goodbye to squinting in sunlight forever. You could be sitting in the middle of the scorching desert and still watch Netflix without a single glare. For protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. If you drop it, it won't be the screen that breaks, the floor will be the one shaking in fear. And durability, IP68, that's for amateurs. This bad boy rocks IP69K, resistant to hot water jets, sand, mud, nothing phases this phone. You can dance in the rain with it. In Sony's legendary color science. It's pure wizardry. Red is actually red, green is actually green, blue is actually blue, no fake saturation, no artificial popping. Just real colors, real life. Performance. To handle those massive 500 megapixel photos and 12K videos, you need a rocket under the hood. And Sony delivers with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. AI processing, camera computations, everything happens in the blink of an eye. 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM, yes, 24 GB. That's more RAM than your old laptop probably has. UFS 5.0 storage with 5 GB per second speeds, edit 12K videos in seconds. But here's the real game changer, thermal management. With that much raw power, heat is inevitable, but Sony has equipped it with a super phase change vapor chamber, which works like a liquid cooling system, melting and freezing in a cycle, exactly like how refrigerant works in an AC. Play PUBG or Genshin Impact at max graphics for hours, your hands won't burn, frames won't drop, and the phone won't even break a sweat. Battery life. Now, let's talk about the battery. Sony has basically strapped a dinosaur's heart inside, a monstrous 7500 mAh battery. Charge it once, and it'll easily last you 2 full days. Even with heavy usage, you'll get through an entire day without panicking. Charging speed, 120 watt hypercharge, 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. Wake up in the morning, battery is dead, go take a shower, come back, and boom, it's fully charged. Plus, 50 watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, your buddy's phone dies. Just place it on your Xperia, and give it a new lease on life. Software, Android 17, absolutely clean, no bloatware, exactly the way Google intended. But for professionals, Sony pre-installs Photography Pro, Cinema Pro, Music Pro apps, just open them up and start shooting like a pro. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, will this phone ever actually hit the ground? Well, friends, for now, this is an ultra-futuristic concept, Sony hasn't launched it in the market yet. But if it ever does land, the estimated price would be around $1,800 to $2,200. Now, some of you might say, whoa, that's expensive. But think about it, what are you getting? A flagship phone, a full-frame DSLR, and a pro video recording device, all in one. The Sony A7R series alone starts at over $2,500, and that's just the camera. Add a top-tier phone on top of that, and you're way over budget. Here, you get both in one package, with a single 500 megapixel camera that covers all your photography needs. That's a killer deal, folks. As for the launch, according to inside sources, Sony might introduce this as a limited edition in December 2026 or early 2027. So fingers crossed, just a few months, and it could be sitting in your pocket. So, folks, do you think a phone like this should exist in reality? Would you drop $2,000 on a phone that makes DSLRs cry for mercy, all with just one camera? And here's the fun question, if you woke up tomorrow morning and this phone was magically sitting on your table, what's the very first thing you'd take a photo of? Drop your answers in the comments below, I can't wait to read them.